Hello everyone, welcome to Ielts Mate. Today I'm going to discuss with you some tips for speaking. In part 1 speaking, even though there are over 60 plus topics that examiner could ask you, yet the question can be grouped into 6 types of questions. We will now look at the most common type of the question, that is description question. For example, examiner demands the student to describe something. For example, tell me about your hometown. So these are the type of questions. Description questions means you are supposed to describe anything. So here first I have written the wrong way of answering such questions. Most of us answer in this way, like simply we start describing the place. Please look at the wrong way first. I come from Ambala city. Is in the state of Haryana. In Ambala, there are many historical buildings. Ambala city is famous for cloth market, which is the largest cloth trading market in Asia. Now, why I'm saying that it is wrong way? Because it is just the to the point answer. It's not showing your speaking skills to the examiner. Actually, they are not interested in anything you say. They don't care your answer is true or not. They just do their job, which is to score your spoken English in relation to the marking system. So, when they ask you to describe something, it means show me your ability to describe something in English. So, now let's look at the question. Sorry, the answer for this question, which is the correct way of answering. Well, I hail from Ambala city, which is in the state of Haryana. I have lived there all my life. Now I have added a linking sentence. I have added the whole sentence here to link my idea with another idea. Well, I hail from Ambala city, which is in the state of Haryana. I have lived here all my life. If I have to describe Ambala, the first thing I would say is that it is very beautiful and immaculate city, maybe one of the most beautiful cities in Haryana. Then second idea also I have added with the linking sentence. The whole sentence I have added because it is speaking. It's good if you add whole sentence to link your another idea. Another significant characteristic is that the city is well known for its cloth market, which is regarded as the largest trading market in Asia. So the answer goes like this. Well, I hail from Ambala city, which is in the state of Haryana. I have lived there all my life. I have lived there all my life. If I have to describe Ambala, the first thing I would say is that it is very beautiful and immaculate city, maybe one of the most beautiful cities. So here I have not added quite interesting and strong ideas, but I just made the answer interesting by adding two linking sentence into the answer. These are some common linking sentences which you may use to answer the description questions. Description question means again where you are supposed to describe anything. For example, your hobbies, your home, your hometown, your family, and so on. So part 1 questions, these are quite apt linking sentences. So if you have to give your first idea, you can choose any of the linking sentence. Well, I suppose if I have to describe something, then well, I suppose, for example, say the topic is home, you can say, well, I suppose if I have to describe my home, the first thing I would say is that, then there comes your first idea. Or you can say, I can start off by saying that, then comes your first idea. Or you can say, I should begin by highlighting the fact that, then comes your first idea. I really need to kick off. Kick off again means start off. I really need to kick off with the point that, then comes your first idea. So all these sentences are only for your first idea. Now when you have to join the second idea, you can use any of these linking points. Another point which I can add is that, then on the top of that I can also add that, I should not forget to mention that, something else I need to comment on is that, So these points you can use if you want to add a second idea or third idea, so as well. Please look at another example. Tell me about your house. Well, I can start off by saying that my house is a single story house which has 3 bedrooms with attached washrooms. It also embraces kitchen, a living room, balcony. Embraces means includes. I should not forget to mention that in the front of my house there is a garden where we grow plants of different varieties. So this second point I have added using a linking sentence. I have used 2 linking sentences here. So you can practice these questions with the structure which I have given to you. Tell me about your family, tell me about your ambition, what makes you happy. You can make your own structures as well, using the linking sentence or taking the help of linking sentence which I have given to you. So this was the a kind of solution to the first part of the speaking, which includes description questions. Thanks for watching again.